everybody, nice to see you here today. It is Experts on Talks. Today we will speak with Kacper, who is IoT expert, and we will speak about IoT protocols.
So hi, I'm Kacper. I'm an embedded developer here at Liki and Frontend House, and I will today introduce you to the world of IoT protocols.
So let's start, but first let's watch intro, and I will prepare and find my questions in my phone because I don't remember them because it is a complicated IoT topic. Let's go. Are you ready to answer the first question?
Yes, let's go.
So, what is the difference between MQTT, CoAP and Zigbee, and what are key features of that?
Okay, so let's start with MQTT. MQTT is based on publish-subscribe principle, and basically we have server called broker, and every device connects to the broker and can send messages, usually in JSON format, on the given topic. So for example, device A send message on topic example, and second device can subscribe to this topic, and broker will forward this message to the device B. And going on with CoAP, CoAP is a REST-like protocol that key benefits of it is that it's running on UDP instead of TCP like HTTP. And last is Zigbee. Zigbee is whole, I would say, ecosystem, because it's not only protocol, but it's also embedded devices and wireless network. Zigbee needs specific device that communicate on the specific band, similar to our Wi-Fi in our homes, and has its own communication implementation. So that's bigger topic than two others.
Do you have any examples of those protocols and their use cases? I mean, Zigbee,
Yes, sure. So let's start with Zigbee. Zigbee is widely used in smart home environment. You can find Zigbee compatible switches, bulbs, etc.
I see a smile on your face when you're starting talking about smart homes.
Yes, because
happy person now.
I'm really into smart home, and I have many smart things in my home.
Yeah, what do you have?
For example, I wanted to open my garage door with my phone. That's why I connected. I just open my remote. Solder some wires, connect some microcontrollers, and using MQTT connect it to Home Assistant instance in my home, and now I'm able to remotely by my phone open garage door, and
I think it's beautiful.
Yes. I really recommend trying smart home for yourself, for everyone, and you can Google now Home Assistant, and it's great. But let's back to the Zigbee, okay? So as I said, Zigbee is widely used in smart home environment. You can find Zigbee compatible switches, bulbs, etc. And it's not used in manufacturing or in industrial environments, because there you will choose a protocol that runs on wires, because you want more reliability, I would say. Let's go to the CoAP. CoAP is used everywhere where we have some website services. If you have, for example, API or something like that, you will use CoAP for your embedded devices to easily communicate with HTTP-like systems. And lastly, about MQTT, MQTT has its wider range of usability because it was chosen by Azure and AWS. It's their primary protocol to use with their, and only not primarily, but only protocol to use with their cloud services. Yes, and that's why it's the most popular, I guess.
Because it is the only one, right?
Yes, it's only one. It was chosen because of something, because it's the best.
Okay. Can you please tell a few words about real life example of it, like energy controller, which you are working on currently?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
I'm excited to tell you about it. So, Green Energy Controller is an embedded device we are working on here at Liki, and this.
I see fire in his eyes again. It's like.
Yes. So basically, this device communicates with energy meters and inverters via RS485, or called Modbus protocol, reads data about energy production and consumption from them, and then this collected data is sending to the cloud via LTE Cat M1 modem. So I'm really excited about it. I'm really happy I can work on it. And
we can show you infographics right
Yes.
now, which will show the process.
I hope you will be able to buy it yourself in the near future. And thanks to this, you will be able to monitor your energy consumption or production. You will be able to watch beautiful charts about production.
And to use
Stay
energy
tuned.
when it is the most
Profitable. Yes,
for you.
I would like to extend it a little bit more because, like Olga said, the main purpose of of our controller is that you will be able to monitor when you need energy the most and the less, and you will be able to optimize the process of selling and buying energy. For example, if you have photovoltaic farm or any energy banks, it will be essential tool for you. Energy consumption, etc. But let's go back and tell you more about how our controller uses MQTT. Our controller connects to the broker and subscribe to a few topics that allows us to control it. So for example, we can send a specific message to reboot the device or change the Modbus configuration on the device. And about sending data, the data collected from peripherals, we create a JSON message from them and we send this message to the broker on the given topic. But every device we collect data from has its own topic. It allows us to easy browser the data later and easy to create charts, etc.
Are you ready for the next question, or you want to tell something more about the system of energy controller?
I feel it's enough about the green energy controller. Let's go with another question.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you what tools and libraries are available for developers who want to implement some of those protocols we're talking about?
Yes, so let's start with Zigbee because it's the hardest to dive in, because you need the specific hardware and and that's the key difficulty. Yes, you have to spend some money to even get started, because of course you can find the libraries online, you can study them, but you will not run this code, you will not be able to test if your code works. So it's the hardest thing with Zigbee. But on the other hand, the embedded devices for Zigbee aren't very expensive, and Zigbee provides you with libraries written in C++ to play with. Okay, let's say to play with. And let's switch to the MQTT. MQTT, on the other hand, is the easiest protocol to use because it has many implementations in different languages. So, for example, you will find C++ implementation, Python implementation, etc. And also you will find a lot of tools. Tools that allows you to simulate the broker, to simulate the device. You will be able to sniff the messages, debugging tools. MQTT is perfect for anyone who want to start with IoT. It's easy to use and it's well supported, well documented.
So MQTT is our bro.
Our bro, yes.
I waited for him to laugh. I'm glad that it was only 5 seconds, not 5 minutes or something. Okay.
Okay, and lastly, to sum up, let's say that IoT world is open for new users, and I would like to encourage you to try it yourself.
Yeah, and if you have some questions, you can write them in comments, and you can also check other videos on our YouTube channel, and also visit our frontendhouse.com website. You will find many interesting things there, and I think see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye, thank you. High five, thank you for talk, and see you next time.
See you next time.
Yeah.